and welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with me for Flute. I'm your teacher, Risa, and today we're working on one of the Christmas songs. We're going to do A Silent Night today, okay? And this sheet music is for free at 8notes.com. It's in the link below, okay? And you can get this sheet music for free along with its backing track, okay? So in this one, let's first take a look at our key signature. What do we have? No sharps, no flats. Let's take a look at our time signature. What do we have? We're now in 6/8 time. And that's why this sheet music may look a little funny to you. We're no longer in 4/4. If you've been playing along with our intermediate series, you should be pretty well comfortable with 6/8 time, especially for something like this. If you're kind of more towards the beginner status, 6/8 time, things are a little bit different. So just for a quick review, or just in case you don't know 6/8 time at all. And so 6/8 time, the 8th note gets the beat. If you don't know anything about 6/8 time, you can check out our video up here and see the whole entirety of what 6/8 means and how to count out the rhythms, okay? But for time being, we're gonna move on here. So if you don't know 6/8, check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I didn't notice this went all the way down to low C. So low C is difficult for almost everyone. Okay, so let's just talk about that low C real quick. Okay, that's a hard one to get. Especially right off the bat. I don't know how many people can just get C like that. So if you can't, don't beat yourself up. That's kind of a rarity. So you just want to make sure you can at least do D to C. Low D. And you're going to be more successful if instead of just hitting this key here, this like tube one, if you try to hit both these at the same time. Okay? And if you're not getting your low C at all still, maybe try working your way down a little bit, even more. So what we're going to do is we're going to do D, D flat, then roll it down to C. That should help out. If you're still like really struggling with your C, C also has a hard time coming out because a lot of times with low C, these keys down here that we were just looking at, they have a tendency to get bent, okay? One down further than the other. And what that would mean is when you hit these keys, you see how they come down? Or here. They come down. They're supposed to come down towards at the same time. And they have to close at the same time. And when the keys are bent, that means these actual keys that are supposed to come down together, they'll do this, boop, boop, and then one won't close all the way. And what that means is you have a leak then. And when you have a leak, you can't get your sound out, your low C, you can't get it out. So if you absolutely cannot get it, I recommend taking your flute in for the tech. It's an easy fix for them to do. Shouldn't take long, as long as you don't need anything else, like a full COA or anything. This is an easy fix down here to make those keys come down. But I don't recommend you do it yourself. Don't do that, just take it into your flute tech. So if you absolutely can't get your low C, make sure that your low C is closing together, your keys are coming down together. Okay, and if you want to play this song for the meantime and say your keys aren't working, just that low C, you can always take it up an octave as well. And that would get rid of your low C problem. So that's an option too. And if you want to play it in this register, but don't want to hit that low C, you can also just take just that C an octave higher, though it won't be as powerful. So it's doable. It's just not quite the same. So those are your options there if your flute's not working. Take it an octave higher, just change the C, get your flute fixed, whatever. Okay, let's break this down though, okay? So we don't have any accidentals in the piece. That makes it easy. Everything is tongued. Makes it easy. Okay, it's just all about making sure you hold everything out to their proper durations, okay? So remember, the eighth note gets the beat, okay? So let's just play this first line. Ready? I'm just gonna count it in 2. If you're one who thinks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just fill in that, okay? 1, 2. Okay, not too bad. Let's check out measure 5 or the second line. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Excellent. All right, let's do 9 or third line. 1, 2. All right, excellent job. We're gonna go ahead and play this all together, and then we're gonna go ahead and play it along with the piano. Okay, ready? 1, 2. All right, excellent job. Let's go ahead and play along with the piano now. All right, excellent job. You're now ready for Silent Night. All right, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.